Hello, friends. This is Gagan, and today I'm here to speak about the mental healing process through the subconscious mind. Right. So, before I start this whole topic, I would like to tell something basic difference between subconscious and conscious mind. Right. Most of the time, we keep on talking that subconscious mind, conscious mind, and power of subconscious mind and like that, right? So what actually is subconscious mind? Is it something different from our conscious mind, or is it something a different organ in a human body, or is it something which work different separately than that of our conscious mind, right? No, actually not. Subconscious mind is something uh, in which impressions are created. Impressions are based on our belief since our childhood or our few experiences. On that basis, our mind keeps storing or keep creating the impressions, right? And sometimes what happen that impressions causes a major reason in our progress or in our life, right? So let me just tell you with this with an example we wake up in the morning, right? And we have our breakfast, we visit office, and we have a day-to-day task, right? All these such tasks, our conscious mind is actually responsible, right? But subconscious mind is somewhere we keep on breathing, right? We never plan that we have to breathe. It's a natural ongoing process for which we have an impression created in our mind, right? Or when we are walking or when we are going upstairs, we never plan that which fit we have to keep first. Like there is an impression created in our mind that about the walking that automatically goes on, right? This is our subconscious mind actually. So in that way, in some sort of positive impression, we have some negative impressions created in our subconscious mind. That is either based on our belief on about the things which someone else told us, or about what we are believing on the experiences of someone else, right? So what happened, we keep on believing that till the end of our life, and we never thought that how these impressions, how these thoughts has been created in our mind, and we keep on believing these false thoughts actually. So in this healing process, that is the major thing we have to overcome, that we have to overcome, that we have to remove these mental blocks or negative impressions from our mind which has been created by our limited knowledge about certain things, or the belief which has been taught by our family or our friends, or which we have learned from the society or somewhere else, right? So once we are able to remove these belief or impressions from our mind, negative impressions from mind, we can have unlimited opportunities, and we can have an unlimited world to explore, and things to learn and grow, right? So guys, that's it for today. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.